5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do it. Yo-ho, what is going on, viewers of YouTube? Tyler here, Chico Crypto, coming to you guys live. Once again, it's a little bit of a bloody Sunday, I must admit. Bitcoin down a good chunk, down from about 12,000, a little over, down to, got below 11,000 for a second there. What's up, everybody? Using a new camera today, so I got a question. How's the stream look? Yo, what's up, everybody? Good to see all you guys here for the stream. I said I was doing a stream this weekend, not backing out. Good morning, Michael. How's it going, brother? Give me an okay if the stream looks good. Using actually our actual camera, the GH5. Hey, what's up, everybody? No, I haven't cut my hair in 897. Yo, what's up, Felipe? What's up? Yeah, smash that like button. No one's answering me if the stream is good. It must be good, so who cares? So it looks like Ethereum's over 300. It dipped down below once Bitcoin got to its lowest, but it's right above. Resistance levels right now for Ethereum and Bitcoin are 300 and 11K respectively. XRP up to 40 cents. Who cares about that? Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, you know, same old thing. Binance Coin hasn't been as bullish as it was in the beginning of the year. It's slowed down a lot. And I think a lot of that does have to do with uncertainty out of US. Yo, what's up, everybody? So, Nate97, I do got to talk about this. Nate97, he asked me, I haven't cut my hair. So, I did say a while ago I was going to cut my hair once the bear market was officially over. Well, I thought about this, you know. The bear market isn't officially over until Bitcoin passes 20K again. It's old all-time high. You know, Bitcoin could, you know, get to 18,500 and then dip back below, you know, its all-time low of around 3,200. If that happened, you know, the bear market didn't end, and I would have cut my hair for no reason. So I cannot officially cut my hair until Bitcoin passes 20K again. So I'm going to look like Jesus. Not going to cut my beard either. But other coins, I mean, Chainlink's still above $4. We'll talk about Chainlink in a little bit. But the, you know, title, thumbnail of this video was, you know, how low is Bitcoin going to go? Well, here's a one-day chart for Bitcoin. As we can see, it did hit 11K, 11,100, got, you know, bounced off of that and then dipped below 11,000 for a slight second. Just a slight second, and it has since rebounded. It's down from, you know, its high of almost 14K, had that little bubble, and then quick dip down. Honestly, you know, the volumes right now, I talked about this in video the other day, the volumes are absolutely ridiculous right now. They're like 40, let's actually check out the historical data. On June 26th, they got up to $45 billion. That's basically double of what it was when Bitcoin was at 20K. Volumes are absolutely crazy. But, you know, if Bitwise report, who says 95% of crypto trading is fake, you know, it's like most of that volume's fake. So, I mean, a lot of the activity you're seeing on the Bitcoin network right now is not new retail blood. It's actual just, you know, exchanges, you know, branching out, creating new trading bots. I mean, that number of active addresses are growing not due to new retail people. It's actual exchanges, you know, doing their laundry, running their bots, you know, wash trading. Hey, stop spamming the chat, man. That's stupid. I know Chainlink. It was a great call. But this is a nice little thing I like to look at. It's a log chart of Bitcoin's prices since the beginning. And as we can see, when Bitcoin reaches a certain peak, like back in 2011, you know, once it got over that red limit, it was time to sell. And of course, got back down. Red limit, time to sell. So as of right now, we are in the, according to this log chart, we are in the buy, you know, hold stage. right, it's still buy for where we are on the chart. This actually comes from moonmath.win. Guy has the equation he runs this whole thing off of too. Make you a mod, Chico. Yo, Andrew, thanks for the tip, man. My thoughts on Loom. Haven't looked into it personally deep. I know it's a scaling solution focused on the gaming market, but don't know more than that. Sorry, Andrew. Not another rainbow. What's wrong with rainbows? Mexican Charlie Lee is asking for 1K subscribers so he can go live. You can't go live on YouTube without 1K subscribers? That's dumb. Rumors Wrong Chen is leaving Elastos. Probably not. He just did an AMA. Okay, Paso. What's up, homie? But yeah, this moonmath.win, pretty cool little thing to keep your eye on. You know, once the price does get into a certain level, it kind of tells you when to sell. And has been pretty accurate in the past. So definitely check that out. This was an interesting post on our Bitcoin. It was basically the halving scarcity calculations he put out. He's put out the fact that there will only be 21 million Bitcoin, but before the end of the year, 2019, there will be 18 million Bitcoins in circulation. In 1 year, the third halving will happen, and 88% of all Bitcoins ever created will be in circulation. The reward for mining drops from 12.5 to 6.25 BTC. The final 12% of Bitcoins will be slowly released over the next 120 years. People will look back at 2019 and say, damn, miners were flooding the market with coins every day because 1,800 new coins are produced per day. Wish I bought then. Shit's about to get real scarce over the next 5 years. And I totally agree, 100% with him. The halving, it does have, I mean, in the past, it has major effects on Bitcoin's price. And it looks like that's going to happen again. Thomas Conservative, thank you so much for the tip, man. I appreciate that. $10, man. I'm going to go buy a drink after this. Zuhair, thank you for the tip as well, man. My thoughts on Chainlink. I'm a OG Chainlink supporter. I've been supporting it for the good part of almost 2 years now. I'll be talking about it in a little bit. What's this for? Well, Coinbase actually put out this blog post today regarding Bitcoin in the USA, United States of Crypto, they call it. And it's interesting because inside of the US, they put out a study regarding cryptocurrency, and they asked general people, they gave them a list of cryptocurrencies to choose from, and 58% of Americans say they have heard of Bitcoin. And when asked if they know about cryptocurrencies, without being prompted with a list to choose from, 37% of Americans proactively named Bitcoin. So then they actually found the top 10 highest states, states with the highest percentage of population that owns crypto, and pretty cool. See, of course, this one can pretty much be summed up because California does have Silicon Valley. They are the highest percentage state that owns crypto. Next is New Jersey, which was kind of surprising to me. And then Washington, Seattle, another tech hub. New York, they got their own. Colorado, fifth, that kind of surprised me. Utah, California, or Florida, Alaska, Nevada. That's pretty interesting. Alaska's not that popular. Well, it's just going on percentage of population. Then Nevada, then Massachusetts. Mike, thank you so much for the tip, man. I appreciate it. My thoughts on Quant Network. I am bullish on Quant. Not as bullish on some other projects because I don't fully understand the decentralization of Quant. So I only have a small investment. I'm not as bullish on Quant as other projects like Chainlink, Ethereum. And then they also put out another study regarding the top 10 states with the largest average value of cryptocurrency owned per crypto owner. Delaware outshone California right there. Nevada, New York, Washington, Wyoming, Connecticut, Illinois, Massachusetts, and New Hampshire. Oh, so Sorgolf, I appreciate the tip, man. So can I talk about the high fees with Bitcoin? I talked about that actually yesterday in yesterday's video a little bit. I touched on it. It is going to become a problem. Like Bitcoin's high fees are starting to show its face again. They peaked at $6 during the 1400 pump. You know, that's a lot better than the last bull run. Fees aren't nearly as high, but if retail FOMO does return and also these institutional products get launched, if Bitcoin can't scale, it's going to be a problem. It's going to hurt Bitcoin. It is. I mean, this is going to be its second chance. And if it can't prove it on its second chance, it's going to open the doors to others. So, my thoughts on Nix. I do like Nix. I mean, they are bringing a kind of revolutionary technological improvement to a lot of chains. They're going to allow private swaps. Doesn't matter what chain you are. And they actually just performed one of the first Nix to Bitcoin private swaps through the Flare wallet. What do you think of Chainlink's IEO partner seller? I mean, every crypto project is almost going to partner with Chainlink, you guys. I mean, every crypto project is going to need to use oracles, so you're going to see a lot of projects partner with Chainlink. Why is the title of the stream correction incoming? Because we have a correction, and it's coming, or it's here. So this was kind of interesting to me. Like yesterday, I just all over Twitter. It was on the front page of our Bitcoin, on the front page of our cryptocurrency. It was all over Twitter, and it was basically Bitcoin bulls spreading fake news about golden asteroid, Peter Schiff. Peter Schiff is a big gold bug. So this was all over the news about this big asteroid. And I'm like, what the hell? I'm the one who talked about that. I'm the one who found that. So this was a few months ago. Or, yeah, a few months ago, about now.
Finite supply of gold on Earth. But what about space exploration? In 20 years, there is a major possibility we could be exploring space in search of resources, including gold. And this may come sooner than most people realize. NASA announced in 2017 that they would be launching a discovery mission in the summer of 2022. The goal of the mission is to arrive at our solar system's main asteroid belt in 2026 to explore a certain space rock called 16 Psyche.
Yeah, so those fuckers should have gave me credit. No, I don't care. But regarding adoption, so out in Europe, I think it's in UK first right now. The Coinbase debit card is out in the wild right now, and it's working. Coinbase did have a card before, and I had it. It was through Shift, but they have canceled that relationship, and Coinbase is coming out with their own Shift or crypto payment card. But the one thing is it does have high fees. It has a lot, even higher fees than the Shift card. So I'm like, what? They need to fix that. So this was a good question on our cryptocurrency route. Kind of like got me thinking, you know, there is the blockchain and, you know, there are a lot of hacks. There are a lot of things happening with the blockchain and cryptocurrency that your money may have got involved with, such as, you know, a ransom, drugs, blah, blah, blah. What happens, you know, once the blockchain is fully analyzed and researched, you know, what happens if you were one of the ones to touch dirty money? You know, is there going to be any repercussions for somebody accepting dirty money, even if they didn't know it? So that's kind of interesting, and that got me thinking a lot. I'm like, shit, what if I ever received dirty money? Probably have. Hey, Voodoo, Ray, thank you for the tip, man. Can I review credits sometime? Partnerships with IBM, also Lenovo, and 200 plus credit decks under construction at the moment. Speed, I have heard credits has high speed. but I haven't fully looked into it. I will definitely take a look because people have been telling me to check it out. Oh, my pleasure for the link tip, you guys. Yes, Cintivate. So me and Tom are actually going to be having our in-person interview. Our schedules just haven't worked out. He had some things to take care of, and then I took my vacation a little bit ago. But we are scheduling something here soon. So, Thomas, I appreciate the support, man, and the tip. I appreciate it. All money is dirty. Not necessarily. All dirt is dirty. That's true. Most hundreds do have cocaine residue. I wouldn't doubt that. So this is pretty interesting regarding another cryptocurrency. One I got involved with early on, year and a half ago. I was a super supporter. I was even a Guardian Masternode holder for a while. But then I realized that the project is hogwash and a hustle. And it looks like it's starting to come true. So Walton Chain, they launched their mainnet, but what it ended up being was just basically Ethereum clone. They launched it, and now they're getting a 99.99% attack, basically, taking over 99.99% of the chain. Someone found a bug within the code and was able to basically make a lot of Grin miners out of thin air. And yeah, it's just shitty. I mean, they're supposed to be audited. It's just shitty code. I wouldn't be holding Walton Chain. We're going up again? Hey. That's good. No, 11292. It's all right. Half your coins are shit coins, Chico. Oh, yes. So, Chainlink, one of my best calls, one of my best moves was actually getting out of Neo and getting into Chainlink. I saved my portfolio, let me tell you. I mean, if I would have held on to Neo, that would have been no good. It would have only 2x'd since I sold, while Chainlink has basically, yeah, it's done a lot better. Over 5x, 6x since I bought it. Yes, I am in Miami. So I mean, the Chainlink chart is looking absolutely ridiculous. You're like, could there be a correction? I mean, it's having an alt season, Chainlink is. No doubt about that. But one thing I want to enlighten you guys in, especially if any of you are new holders, unaware of what's going on. So, Chainlink is there's a big following for Chainlink within 4chan and the biz community. And they have all banded together to collectively FUD Chainlink in the outside crypto world so people don't catch on to it. Basically, so they can keep accumulating tokens because they know what it's going to do. So this guy put out, this thing got over 500 upvotes. He put out a post basically saying Chainlink is garbage. He's removed it since. I think the mods removed it because they found out it's a troll post. It says right here, troll post. But he put it out, and it got people like, whoa, what is going on? Is Chainlink good? Blah, blah. This is coordinated by these guys. So the person who posted it, his name is Colors Don't Lie. And if you see his comment right here, he basically says it's there's no way to prevent civil attacks, blah, blah, blah. Here's the same exact post on our biz. And they write it out, and then people spread it. It's the exact same post. And then he posted it on cryptocurrency, caused a lot of people in the comments to be like, what? And it's orchestrated by 4chan and biz. They do it every time. So if you see FUD about Chainlink, it's usually just 4chan fucking around. Yo, what's up, everybody? Breaking news. Craig Wright is Satoshi. Yeah, Google would not touch Chainlink if it was shit. Exactly. What do you think about crypto social media? What do you mean? I mean, Chainlink there's other solutions, Oracle solutions coming. Enigma is one out there that they say they're going to be able to provide solutions. iExec released Oracle solution. Chainlink has the partnerships and first mover advantage. It's going to be hard to overthrow that. Oh, Christian, I'm sorry I didn't see that. What exchange do you recommend for people in the US of A? I wouldn't recommend Binance. I mean, you can use Binance right now, but they are going to be creating their own Binance.us. It's going to have limited supply of tokens. If I were you, I would be trying to use a DEX. There's multiple good DEXs out there. BitShares has a pretty decent DEX. You can get a lot of tokens on. But if you do need to use centralized exchange, I would recommend probably Bitrex, Coinbase, Poloniex. There's Gate.io and Liquid also. My thoughts on Theta. I do like Theta Network a lot. So, Chainlink, they put out a lot of big partnerships. They put out, not necessarily a partnership with Google, but if you look under what's going on under the wraps, they will be working together. There is an official partnership with Oracle, and now there's this one. I've talked about this in a video before, but they probably will be doing something with, they are doing something with Microsoft. It just hasn't been fully announced.
That we're working with and that we feel are closest to making this this a reality are the folks at Cornell's IC3 initiative with something called Town Crier, and we're very glad to be working with them and seeing how we can help and try and get some kind of HSM based smart oracle. And then likewise, we're also working with Microsoft on their Pledgely offering.
Yep. So, I mean, there are more good things. People are like, oh, Chainlink's high, Chainlink's high. I mean, I wouldn't recommend putting in a large amount. Dollar cost average, of course, just like you should be doing. But the train might not stop here with Chainlink because there are the staking contracts coming and there are more partnerships like Microsoft that could be announced. What's the probability BTC goes below 7K? I would put it in that range, about 20 to 30%. There is a chance. I mean, we have rose like crazy over the past month. So there is a chance that we retrace there, but it's a small chance. There is a lot of bullish momentum. Thoughts on Digitex? I never liked Digitex personally. Thanks for the tip, Eugene. Is that Digitex Futures? I always thought the owner of that guy. This was a scumbag. Why the music? I don't know. Make it more appealing, exciting. I liked it. Yeah, I'm not a big fan. Blocktivity. So basically activity matrix tracking blockchain, work being done on the blockchain, who's using it. EOS, it looks like it's #1, even though some people accuse EOS of fake transactions. Ken's #2, then Steam, BitShares, then Tron, then Bitcoin, then Ethereum, then T-Food, which is interesting. They're a super low cap, and they're processing more transactions right now than one of their competitors, VeChain. I don't know how much you can trust this, though. I don't know how good it is at filtering out bad data. Hey, what's up, Atori? Greetings from Miami, man. Yeah, I agree. Lax Thor. We are up really high. We do need a cool off. Corrections like this are a good thing. Huli Coin dead? Yeah, Huli Coin dead. As for right now. How high do you think the Chainlink price will go? Well, I made a prediction a while ago, doing some altcoin predictions in this next bull run, And I said once Bitcoin reaches 10K again, I thought Chainlink would be, I think about $10 is what I said. So switching gears, there's this interesting concept happening on Ethereum. It's called not B token, like that, what's that, like decentralized Airbnb scam. It's just BE token. And basically it is a fully decentralized fund managed by code and the people. So basically anyone can basically put their assets for a fund manager to trade with. And it's all run through code, all run through Ethereum smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain. And the mainnet is launching in a week. So this is DeFi. They are partnered with some big names, Kyber, BZX, Maker, and Compound to make this all work. And it works, it's a kind of cool system. It uses an ERC, custom ERC20 token called Cairo. The more profits you make, the more Cairo you have, the more money you can manage. So it's the core of B tokens incentivized mechanism by constantly redistributing Cairo based on the profit one makes for the fund. We can ensure the best people manage the most money and get the most income. So managers stake their Cairo to invest in an asset, and they get rewarded basically based on their performance. So it's a DeFi ecosystem piece, a decentralized fund manager. I mean, you're going to see these start popping up everywhere on Ethereum. And a coin I talked about a long time ago was the Raiden network. Layer 2 scaling solution, basically the Lightning Network for Ethereum. And they've released their Light client. So we could see Ethereum dApps starting to utilize basically the Lightning Network, second layer scaling solutions. And Raiden's way down. Only a 16 million market cap. But this is basically the Lightning Network for Ethereum. God, I can't believe there's so many Craig Wright shills still around. That's amazing to me. Do I know Zilliqa? No, Zilliqa developers haven't gone to work for Libra, I don't think. So, talking about Elastos, one coin, it's been having a decent, it's back up into the top 100. The supernodes, they are all up and running right now. So supernodes, Sunny Fang Han is the number 1. WeFilm Chain's number 2. Elephant Wallets number 3. Cairo Lee is number 4. Anypeer, Manhattan Project Fund, and the nodes are functioning. They are rewarding. My boy Famous Amos, if any of you guys are Elastos holders, give Famous Amos a vote. I've thought about setting up a Elastos node. I'm just so freaking busy right now, you guys. Oh, it's hard. I need to get like a personal developer, techie person to set up all my nodes for me because I don't have time to do it. Is XRP ever going to do anything? I don't know, probably not. But yeah, Elastos has been performing well. I'm excited for the Trinity browser coming out for Elastos. There has been delays, but it will be coming. Famous Aid. Famous Amos, like the cookie. Hey, what's up, man? How's Italy? Never been to Italy. My thoughts on BQQQ token, if I don't talk about it, I probably don't have thoughts on it. It's stacked. Only $42,000 worth of volume, so not that good. You see, and yes, I have seen energy. It has done well since I launched my video. This has a nice chart, just like Chainlink. Wow. Looking good. Is the halving already priced into Litecoin? I don't think so. I think it's going to have another run as it gets closer. I think we're like 38 days away or something like that. I think like it's going to have a run up to day 15 and then dump once it gets within 2 weeks. So another small cap, Origin Trail. It's a supply chain blockchain. They have partnership with Fortune 500 company. Super small cap too with this one. This just isn't getting the love it needs. 7 million. It has done some pretty big things, and yeah, only a $7.6 million market cap. A lot of these projects, I mean, they put out their functioning product, they get the partnerships, and they still just can't climb. I mean, these are the low caps that they will be around. It's just they're going to have to do something to get themselves, you know, out in the open to get noticed, because they should be. I mean, when you partner with a Fortune 500 and have a functioning product, definitely should be higher than some of these shit coins out there. Baffles me. Yes, VeChain is always all over Reddit. So this was pretty interesting. So Billionaire Investor Henry Kravitz, he made his first crypto investment. And he went into a crypto investment firm called Parafy. And Parafy has invested into Coinbase and MakerDAO. Yes, MakerDAO. So MakerDAO definitely has big followings. Coinbase is supporting it. Billionaire Investors supporting it. And MakerDAO has something coming up called Collateral Die. I just talked about it in a video a couple days ago. And the team said it's basically coming out soon. I did some research, tried to find out when the exact day this mainnet, and it looks like the range is this year. According to this developer, Runes4444, the reason I think it's this year is because Rune, he's a core developer for MakerDAO. Someone asked, as someone building in the DeFi space, the lack of answer here is frustrating. If I want to build something that will take a couple of months, should I build it for single collateral die or multi-collateral die? Their implementations are different, that I can't easily write contracts that interact with both. So basically he's like, well, what should I do? If I'm trying to build something, you know, what should I do? And the developer said build for multi-collateral die. So a couple of months is what he's saying. The guy's saying, if I'm trying to build something that will come out in a couple of months, what should I be building on? And he says build for multi-collateral die. So then another, this is an admin for their chat. She basically said it's coming this year. So I would expect, if I had to make a prediction, I would say in August we'll see multi-collateral die. Cut your hair. No, I said I'm not cutting it until 20K because it's not officially a bear market over until 20K. But with multi-collateral die, there could be some price pumps from other coins. They will be adding ERC20 tokens as other assets in which you can collateralize debt positions with. And these are the coins that are coming up. Augur, Basic Attention Token, DigiXDAO, Ether, Ethereum Golem, Amisego, and 0x. And I have a feeling 0x is definitely going to be one of those. When is 0x waking up? Hopefully soon. They have the staking coming. Hello, sir. Best coin week buy today. I don't know. Bitcoin. I wouldn't buy Chainlink here. I'm not a financial advisor, but thank you for the tip, man. See energy take off, and it's holding gains each day. Yeah, energy is doing well. I agree. Keep moving that goalpost. I actually called a barber yesterday and almost set up a hair appointment. I was going to get it, but then I thought about it. I'm like, no, I'm not going to do it. Yes, exactly. Super cool. The cool man, he knows. The beta for the Xerox Mesh network is coming soon. Xerox is very technical. Know why BitPay's transaction fees are 4 times higher than the network? I do not know. Thank you for the tip, though, Toasty Todd. Probably because BitPay is just being a fucker. You bought Chainlink and got wrecked yesterday? Well, that sucks. Best wallet for Maker, Arfon asks. Best wallet would just be an ERC20. It's an ERC20 token, so you can store it on your ledger. My other wallet. Talk about Centivate. So, Centivate, I am on the board as an advisor for the project. Centivate is trying to do something pretty revolutionary. They're trying to actually recreate the bottom layer of the internet. So, it's a far-reaching project, and I am going to be having a video coming very soon, talking with Tom, the lead developer. Guy's very smart, so I can't wait for that video. I want 7,000. I kind of want $7,000 BTC again, too. It was nice when it was in that range. Very nice. Yeah, so that's all I actually have for today's live stream, all the stuff I was going to go through. So I'll chill a little bit longer, and then, yeah, answer some more questions. Your prediction for Maker. I have thought Maker is going to do well. I mean, Maker has a buyback and burn process built into the protocol, so there is constant buy pressure on Maker as well as burning from stability fees. Unfortunately, Coinbase doesn't, I mean, not Coinbase, CoinMarketCap doesn't take into account the burned Maker. But there have been over 1,900 Maker that have already been burned since the launch. Staking. How much profit is there to be made with 32 Ethereum? Staking details haven't came out, but I've seen numbers. It looks like 6% ROI. Could be a little bit holder. It all depends on how many people stake their Ethereum, too. I am still holding my Bazant. Not much news from that team recently. It's been holding its range, though. 13 million market cap. My thoughts on Craig's crocodile tears. I'm in Miami. I wish I should go to the court and try to sneak in a camera or something. I don't want to get thrown in jail, though. Yeah, he's here in Miami. I wish I could have saw his crocodile tears. XRP is going to $15 next week. Oh. Why not? What is that number? 329, they always say, or something like that? XRP ain't going that high, boy. Maybe an ex-Napster dev could be a Satoshi. It's possible. Bazant is going to Binance's DEX? I wouldn't doubt. I mean, the team tries to get in with Binance. A lot of people talking about how much Bitcoin you should own. What are my thoughts and why? I've always said, I mean, if you can, accumulate 1 Bitcoin. I mean, but I did a video on how many Bitcoin you should own. I mean, if you own even 0.01 of the Bitcoin, in the future, you're going to own a lot more than any of the population could ever wish to. You're going to be in the 1%. So I mean, if you can right now, try to get a Bitcoin. But I know $11,345 is out of the range for some people. So RSI is at 40. Shouldn't Bitcoin go up? I don't know. I don't do TA. I don't try to pretend like I know technical analysis like a lot of YouTubers. 21 BTC. Yeah, I mean, if you can get 21 BTC, that's even better. You're in the 1 million club. Top 3 coin, July, you pick. Why are you... this isn't financial advice. Virus, I appreciate the tip, but... yeah. Damn, they shill hard in here. Yeah, there's a bunch of shillers. All trying to shill their own coin. If you can own 1 Bitcoin, it's... But yeah, I'm pumped on Chainlink's adoption and growth. I'm glad people are starting to realize. I already answered that. No, probably not. Zilliqa's developers aren't going to leave for Facebook. It's probably just a rumor trying to get Zilliqa to pump. Any news on the coins that will be listed on the new US Binance exchange? Probably not much. I would guess probably within 8 to 12 coins at launch. Win Fidelity. What's up? Yeah, it's going to be an interesting couple weeks we're going to see in the crypto markets. I mean, the bullish run has been heating up, and people are expecting, you know, us to jump again. If Bitcoin doesn't jump, we could be seeing a bearish trend take over. Not long term, but just short term. Chip Chodler as well. I got a good amount of Chainlink. I'm happy with my position right now. Please tell you are always right. I'm not going to... I don't know. No coins are looking great to me right now this month. Like, if they were, I would have put out a video. Video on 0x and Coinbase Mafia. That I do have a lot of information on that. And I've thought about putting it out. It's just a lot to put together. 0x and Coinbase and even PayPal have a lot of connections together. Link is always a buy, in my opinion. I mean, you should just be dollar cost averaging. Personally, in my opinion. If you're going to buy cryptocurrency this week, set aside a certain amount for Chainlink every week. Excellent. Stellar Lumens? Stellar Lumens just had some pretty big news come out yesterday. I can't remember who they did it through, but they're able to do an offline transaction through SMS. Trump has partnered with XRP. Oh, nice. All right, guys. Well, this was just a short live... Oh, man. On Crypto.com, I have... no thoughts. I haven't used it. I appreciate the tip. Roton online community, I just haven't used it. I've heard people say it's pretty awesome. All right, guys. Well, thank you for tuning in. Answered that last little question. I've got a lot of stuff to do today. Live streams are usually my day off. I haven't even cleaned my house since I got back to Florida. When I left Florida, I was going to clean it, but then I was like, I'll do it when I come back. Now, yeah, I've been back a week and I haven't even done it. So I'm going to clean my house, take a little rest, you know, Sunday fun day. So I will see you guys. Actually, no video tomorrow. Tomorrow is our day off. So I will see you guys on Tuesday. Appreciate everyone who tuned in and especially everyone who threw the tips in. You guys are amazing. And yeah, see you guys Tuesday. Cheers.